Happy morning. Hey, hi, Aruna. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, Sri Lakshmi. Hi, Jyoti. Beautiful morning, Jyoti. Sindhuja. Hi, good morning. Beautiful sari, Anu. Thank you. Good morning. You look nice. Thanks, Jyoti. Hello, Nar. Sweetie Reddy. Oh, great. Very good morning. Beautiful sari again. Likita, thank you. Good morning, Akila. Hi. శుభోదయం చక్కగా తెలుగులో చెప్పారు. హాయ్, యూ లుకింగ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ శిరీష. బ్యూటిఫుల్. థ్యాంక్స్ అఖిల. సారీ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ లిటిల్ లేట్ టుడే అగైన్. కానీ నాకేంటో ఛాలెంజెస్ ఈజ్ బికమ్ మై లైఫ్ స్టైల్ దీస్ డేస్. ఐ మీన్ it's most of the time like that only, but what sarees today you are showing, ma'am? Jyoti, you know mine is a multi cuisine, though it's a very standalone store. It is multi cuisine. See, I will show you. So that's why, see, what is next? You will be waiting, right? So if it is one patola stream, one Paithani stream, it is you can imagine what is going to be, see, in Paithani you can imagine Munia, parrot peacock border or a skirt border, but mine is not like that. It is, I like, this is my style of doing things. So first of all, sorry for being late, and I'm really overwhelmed with all of your love, which brings me here, even however difficult it is for me to come on Saturday morning. I think I'll have a lot of stories to talk about. It is just not my sari stories and the challenges. One of my boy, the working team, who is here, everybody is important. I can't say only that boy is important, but that boy is more like salt in food. So he's like that. So he was unwell, and I had to rush to hospital early morning by 4:30. So, and I could be back only by 8 o'clock. So then I had to make arrangements for uh, for somebody to be there, and I rushed back. If it was not alive, definitely I would have been there with him personally, because my work team is really, really important for me. Without them, I am not here, and I cannot deliver that beautiful stuff for you. However, they are, anything is a support here. Like, even if it is jhadu pocha, like a cleaning person, if they don't keep it clean, I can't come in front of you, because I have to sit and do that. So however it is, they are, every small little thing is important. Like, I tell my team, like, a needle is important, just a simple thing. Without that, it is as important as my Juki sewing machines. It is as important as my master being there. Okay, that's why no work is small here, anywhere. For me, it is like that. So I had to be there, and ఈరోజు లైవ్ లేకుండా ఉంటే ఖచ్చితంగా నేను అక్కడే ఉండుండేదాన్ని. బట్ మీ లవ్ అండ్ అప్రిసియేషన్ ఎంతంటే నేను వదులుకోలేను. మీరెలా లైక్ సో మెనీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ సేయింగ్ దట్ వీఆర్ ఎడిక్టెడ్, వీఆర్ వీ లుక్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఫర్ యువర్ షో అండ్ నథింగ్ సో బిగ్ అండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ మోర్ దాట్ ఐఎమ్ అంటే సదా మీ సేవలో, మీ ప్రేమకు నేను నిజంగానే బానిసైపోయానని చెప్పాలి. నేను కూడా అలాగే పరిగెత్తుకొని వస్తాను. మీరంతా ఎలా కెమెరా ముందు కూర్చుంటారో మీ సెల్ ఫోన్స్ తోటి, నేను అలాగే ఇక్కడికి. అంటే నాకంటూ ఎలాంటి స్క్రిప్టో ఎలాంటి ఇదో ఏది ఉండదు. మీ ముందుకు వచ్చి నాకు నిజంగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఐ థింక్ ఐ విష్ ఐ కెన్ సీ యూ ఆల్, just not the message like on the screen and I keep talking to you all. Anpistadi, I don't know, technologically I'm a little not efficient in that. Like I don't know, my wing is not open for that. So అలాంటిది ఏదైనా ఉంటే తప్పకుండా, అందుకే ఫిజికల్గా I went to Hyderabad to see you all, but things are becoming difficult. నాకేదో ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ I think I could compare myself. It is just flashed me. చిన్న మంచి పవర్ఫుల్ కార్. బాడీ is small but the power is more and the road is డింగా పింగా అంటే గుంటలు మెట్టలు, not a very straight path, and that's how I could compare myself. My path is very this thing and I'm coming long way but with a small body and a powerful engine. So it needs to be like I should become as powerful engine as well as the bigger body. So now I think it is I think it is time for that. We have to, because I'm not able to reach many of you. Sarees get sold by the time I message. Yes ma, what to do? Because see the okay, I think I have to start the show. I think okay, they're all joining, good. So I think it is time for this. So నాకు ఎంత బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది అంటే when I say that any people from abroad, overseas, they tell that Anu, can we be of any help being there, because we are not here. Suma from Switzerland, she told, I think I'm bored with my software job. Sometime I think I want to come and live, be there with you, to be in the creative field, which is energizing all the while. It is true. My field is very, very challenging, very tough, very laborious, very, very so many things. But at the same time, one who has the passion will not, will again look forward. నాకు ఎప్పుడు నా ఫీల్డ్ కిక్ ఇస్తూనే ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఐ మీట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఛాలెంజెస్. దట్స్ వాట్ కీప్స్ మీ అప్. హౌఎవర్, లైక్ మీరు ఎప్పుడు నిద్రపోతారు, ఎప్పుడు లేస్తారు, హౌ డు యూ మేనేజ్ యువర్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ అంటే ఎంతంతా కష్టపడిన తర్వాత వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ విల్ టెల్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ సో నైస్, వీఆర్ సో హ్యాపీ అంటే ఇట్లాంటి వింటానే ఉంటాం ఒకటను. హాయ్ లక్ష్మి, హాయ్, how are you? And I'm so good, thank you. ఇంత అంటే ఇంత ప్రేమాభిమానాలు, నిజంగా నేను చాలా అదృష్టవంతురాలిని. నాకు ఏదో అంటే ఐ థింక్ ఐఎమ్ బ్లెస్డ్ టు గెట్ ఆల్ దిస్ లవ్. ఈ వర్క్ ఐ థింక్ ఫ్రమ్ 12 years ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్, దిస్ ఇస్ 13th year ఐ గెస్. సో ఇయర్స్ కూడా నేను పెద్ద లెక్క పెట్టి, మీరంతా అడిగినప్పుడే హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ ద ఫీల్డ్ అంటే ఐ కమ్ అప్ విత్ ద నంబర్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ద డే వన్ ఫర్ మీ. దట్స్ హౌ ఐ వర్క్. ఈరోజు ప్రతిరోజు ఏదో ఒకటి నేర్చుకుంటూనే ఉంటాం. అలాగే ఉంటుంది. అమ్మ ఇన్ పీపుల్ కీప్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీ ఆఫ్టర్ సర్టన్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్, లైక్ ఆఫ్టర్ 10 years you would have been set in the this thing. Set. Set is what going in one streamline. కానీ కొత్తదనం కావాలనిపిస్తుంది నాకు, ఎప్పటికప్పుడు నాకు కొత్తదనం కావాలి, ఏదో చెయ్యాలి, ఏదో చేయాలి. సో అలా తయారయ్యేవే ఇలాంటివి, విచ్ యూ డోంట్ ఫైండ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద స్టోర్ కదా. రెడీ మీల్లు ఒక బాక్స్లో వస్తే అది తీసుకొని మనం కార్లో కూర్చొని తిని వెళ్ళటం కాదు. నాకు ఐ లైక్ టు కుక్ టు మై అపిటైట్, టు మై దిస్ థింగ్. ఐ థింక్ ఐ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ అపిటైట్ ఫర్ క్రియేటివ్ థింగ్స్. So if you all, whenever you say like a thumbs up, then I will start the show. Then to start with, I think I should talk about my sari, which is already sold. So ఇంకా ఏవో చాలా చెప్పాలనిపిస్తుంది. అంటే ఈ మార్నింగ్కి ఇది ఫ్రెష్ టాపిక్ నాకు. సో అందుకని ఐ కుడ్ స్పీక్ అబౌట్ దట్. సో ఈరోజు ఐ థింక్ ఐల్ టేక్ క్విక్లీ ఫార్వర్డ్. యువర్ blouses are awesome. Not able to find sarees from you, like to have your saree one blouse. Not only just my blouses, my sarees are also awesome, and they're like my babies, so I love them. Each piece what is created, curated, everything is like ishtam ante. So okay, I will start the show. Yes, to start with the sari what I am wearing. This is a Kora sari. You can see all meenakari buttas here, okay, and not to miss the hand embroidery. See, here is embroidery, okay, and Paithani is the patch border, and see the combination. See, this is the pallu, Paithani pallu, border and pallu, but the combination is awesome. And actually that's what we yeah, I know, but bit late by the time I'm missing. Yes. Okay, this was a very very old blouse of my sister, so which is little matching to this, so I had come with this blouse ante. So ee saree, I think a team was not there. I realized that we did not put the live show picture, so how do the people know that tomorrow whether live is there or not? Though it is become అలవాటు, అంటే ఇష్టమైన అలవాటు. నేను చెప్తా కదా ఇప్పుడు, శనివారం మార్నింగ్ అంటే తలస్నానం చేసి మనం వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామికి పెట్టుకోవటం, అలాంటి ఒక మంచి పద్ధతి కల అలవాటుగా అయింది. విచ్ ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ అడ్వర్టైజ్, పీపుల్ని బట్టి ఎంత బాగా ఫాలో అవుతున్నారండి. నిజంగా హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్. అంటే చాలా బాగా అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నారు అందరూ. నేను లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో చెప్పాను, చిన్న బ్లౌజెస్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటే మీ రెగ్యులర్ వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చుకోండి అంటే ఎంతమంది ముందుకు వచ్చారు. అంటే బికాస్ వీ వాంట్ యువర్ క్రియేటివ్ థింగ్స్ టు బీ ఆన్, అండ్ యువర్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ సో వాల్యుబుల్ అండ్ ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ గో ఫర్ స్మాల్ లిటిల్ థింగ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ హూ ఎవర్ ఈజ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ అండ్ గివెన్ మీ దిస్ థింగ్. అప్పుడు నాకే అనిపిస్తుంది ఇంకా కొంచెం కష్టపడి నేనే చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది కదా అని అనిపిస్తుంది. బికాస్ ఫ్యూ పీపుల్ ఆస్క్డ్ మీ, ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ సెండ్ ఎనీవేస్. లేదు చేస్తాను, కొంచెం టైం ఇవ్వండి నేనే చేస్తాను అని పెట్టుకున్నాను. కానీ నార్మల్గా అయితే అలా ఫాలో అయినా బాగుంటుంది. అంటే చిన్న చిన్నవి కాకుండా పెద్దవాటికి, మన పెద్దవి అంటే ఏం లేదు, ఎవ్రీడే ఈజ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే అండ్ ఫర్ మీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ సెలబ్రేషన్. అంటే ఒక 5,000 10,000 రూపీస్ శారీకి నేను చాలా పెద్దగా బ్లౌజ్ చేసి ఇస్తే అది మీకు కూడా ఇదని అనిపించకపోవచ్చు. అందుకని చెప్పి చిన్న వాటికి నేను అలా చెప్పాను. నాకు టైం ఉంటే మాత్రం నేనే చేసిస్తానండి. టైం లేక పెద్ద వర్క్ సఫర్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను. అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు యూ ఆల్ హూ ఎవర్ ఈజ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ అండ్ కేమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. అండ్ అను షో కొంచెం స్టార్ట్ చేయరా? ఓకే, ఇట్స్ గెటింగ్ లేట్ ఫర్ అస్. ఓకే, yeah, to start with, this is the sari what I am wearing, and I have already told the description about this, and this is sold immediately for Aruna USA. She contacted me quickly and please save the sari for me. And I think sold in a sari, so వాళ్ళ పర్మిషన్తోనే. దెన్ ఐ టోల్డ్ అట్లా టుమారో ఐమ్ ప్లానింగ్ టు వేర్ దిస్, బట్ వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సోల్డ్ ఐ విల్ వేర్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్. సో షీ గేవ్ మీ ఆల్ ద this thing that please go ahead and wear. I'll be more than happy to see the sari on you. Right? So thank you so much, Aruna. So I'll start the show. To start with, I'll show these kind of kora with the patch border saris. Okay, so that's the creative line. Two more to go with. అండ్ దీనిలో ఫ్యూ క్లయింట్స్ సే మీ దట్ నాకేది సెట్ అవుతుందో మీరు అదే ఇవ్వండి, అది పెట్టేసేయండి నాకు అని చెప్పి నాకు ఇస్తారు. అందుకని నేను ఒకసారి గౌతమికి పెట్టేశాను. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఖాదీ జామ్దాని గౌతమి, దెర్ ఇస్ వన్ మోర్ ప్యాచ్ శారీ దట్ I have kept it for you. Okay, so this is another kora sari. With the ikat border. Check on to this sari. ఇలాంటి దానిలో పింక్ నేను తనకు పెట్టాను. సో this is the sari. Pista green with what a combination. You can see the combination. Yeah, this is how the sari is. This is the patch border, and this has been finished already. Like whoever wants to buy and get it shipped, it is far easy. And this is the blouse. See the combination. What a beautiful combination. The blouse. This is the blouse. This is the sari. ఇలాంటివన్నీ లైక్ కస్టమ్ డిజైన్డ్గా వీ డూ, బట్ నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ మోర్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ లైక్ వీ మేక్ ఇట్ అండ్ కీప్ ఆల్సో ఇఫ్ ద టైమ్ పర్మిట్స్. సో what I'm wearing is one of that type, and what I'm showcasing is also one of that type. Yeah, and one more to go with. Ivanni raw mango. This is raw mango chanderi with ikat. Okay, manchi south sea pearl color ki rust orange is the border and pallu and the blouse. Okay, I think when it comes to this, I will show one of the sari how the back is also finished. Because when we make the patch border, we have to finish it. See, this is how the fall will be. These are all very exclusive and designer wear sarees. Okay, what a beautiful fall. చూస్తే మళ్ళీ చూడాలనిపించే చీరలు అన్నమాట. Kora Benares. What a beautiful sari. I think I have to do a reel to showcase the full beauty of the sari. That was a chanderi with ikat. This is proper Kora Benares uh, you know, this is a rich Kora Benaras sari, and this is the double double border. It's like skirt border, and here is the, you can see the booties. Such a luxurious collection of all these, and budget friendly కొంచెమే ఉంటాయి. This show is mainly for to showcase because upcoming festival season and అన్ని like housewarmings పెళ్ళిళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి. So this is how it is. What a beautiful Kora Benaras sari with this kind of an Ashavali Jamdani weave border. Colors are so pretty. This color goes well for all the tones like dusky, ఎలా ఉన్నా బాగుంటుంది. And here is the blouse, a nice brocade blouse to go with. But they, like, you know, these days I'm not opting for work, so a nice blouse would do. This is the nice blouse which is woven in line with the border, and this is the and this is another. See, team is all here. Per every sari, if I have to pick up and tell the price, it is difficult for me. And if you are interested, please contact the team. It is not to see. These are the collection pieces, whatever I show. So the tag will be there on the sari, which is the same for anybody and everybody. But if I have to do that job, the whole sari I have to search and show you the tag. 1 second, I'll do for one sari, then you will know how much time will go for that. And if you are interested, why don't you ask? See, Kora Benaras and all will be above 40s, okay, and Jamdanis 60s 70s. I'm telling you the rough range of these things. And the patchwork saris, it will start from 30s to 70s 80s, 1 lakh also I do have. Okay, it differs from piece to piece. Suppose this exact piece, whatever I'm wearing also, it was such a fresh, and we could not, there were no team yesterday, and I could not work out the price. And whoever is, like, you know, buying it also, they ask me the most of the time it is that if I send the price, it is fine. Even if I tell verbally also, it is fine. Okay, but for each sari, suppose in one show, if I showcase 40 to 60 saris, where do I have the time to tell of each thing? Tell me, sensible. So this is a Kora Benaras sari which we have sold in mustard yellow before. This is the pattern of the sari. Okay, suppose, see, I'm lifting everything. I could not find the tag, but I will get you the tag. I will show you. I will not, this is not something like each piece is different, each pricing is different. If I am showcasing like simple Kanta print saris or Kota Vidarbha borders, they're all price I would tell, because I'm showing lot many colors in that. That's when I can tell. But these things I cannot tell. This is a beautiful Kora Benaras sari again, and see the blouse. Ma'am, please leave it. We are getting responses. No worries. Thank you so much. Thanks for understanding. Don't spend your energy explaining on it. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. This is the blouse. See how beautiful is the sari. first you see, you love it, then you ask. If you totally for are in love with that sari, then go for other things, no problem. ఓకే, దేవతా వస్త్రాలు అంటారు కదా, అలా అలా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట ఇవి. వీటికి కొన్ని అయితే అంటే ఎమోషన్కి అయితే ప్రైస్లెస్, చీరకి తప్పకుండా ప్రైస్ ఉంటుంది. యూ ఆల్ డోంట్ వరీ. Sorry, I think I'm like, very tied up and in too many things. I have to go personally and see lot of things. So I'm sorry if I have to, talk loud on that. So please understand. This is a Lenin Kora. This is something very new. I think you can see the slab of Lenin and the delicacy of Kora with an applic touch. Check here. This is the blouse. This is the blouse, and you can see the nice applic flowers on Lenin Kora. You can see the fabric also. It's not just like organza, it's not just like the cotton, just Lenin la kakunda. The fabric itself is like this, and this is a beautiful applic with that subtle shades and little bit of cut work. Very different sari. Who likes white like me? And check it. Okay. And this is Gaji silk with crochet border. This is what is being restocked. I think there was a very good response for nice collection. Really love each one you are showcase. Thank you. Gaji silk with crochet border, and here the blouse is like this. I have two colors in this. This is one color and the other one is pista green. Here is another color, Gaji silk with crochet, and here is the blouse. Okay. Here is another sari. Organza with chicken curry. Much, I think, కొంచెం వెయిట్ చేస్తేనే వచ్చే sarees ఇవి. Like the nude shade of pista green, and this is the blouse. See what a beautiful contrast blouse, and I must show you the pallu also. This is the pallu. And here is the blouse. Pallu and blouse. This is nice. very pastel of the mint green. You can see the color combination. Organza, chicken curry, whatnot. Very delicate, elegant. This is a simple saree to go with. Budget friendly. It is silk by Kora. Very lightweight. Who wants to, నేను ఎక్కువ బరువుండే కట్టుకోలేను and I would like to have a very lightweight saree with an elegance. Yes, then you can opt for this, and the budget is below 13. Okay, I could tell, no? I can show you the tag also. $12,980 because I could see the tag. Okay, I will show you. There is another color. ఈ చిన్న చిన్న పూజలో పండగలో వస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా, సో లైట్ వెయిట్గా ట్యాగ్. See, our tag will be like this, okay? Like this, and the price will be here, which is same for anybody and everybody. All right, 12,980. ప్లీజ్ ఇగ్నోర్ నెగటివ్ కామెంట్స్. మాకు శారీస్ చూపించడానికి మీరు పడే తపన రియల్లీ అప్రిషియేట్. ప్లీజ్ కీప్ గోయింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మా మహాలక్ష్మి. 12,980. Okay, I keep going. So this is the pallu. Very lightweight, chala easy go on by weight, by this thing. Shundila untundi, and the blouse ekis. This is the blouse. Yes, this is a Chanderi silk saree. Raw mango. బాగుందా? హాయిగా మంచి షైన్తో సిల్క్ రా మ్యాంగో శారీస్ అంటే నేను చెప్పాల్సిన పని లేదు. మీలో చాలామందికే అవగాహన ఉండుంటుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ దట్. I feel so happy about the Indian brands which is making waves everywhere. The Raw Mango is one of that. They use good fabric, simple design, very classy, elegant, and Raw Mango. Ante it's like the name itself is very Indian. Very happy about whoever is taking effort to take Indian brands forward. So this is one of that. Very lightweight, very అసలు మాట్లాడుతుంటేనే నాకు చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే I know the effort behind it. Maybe they are all very big team, whoever is doing a lot of brands, but here it is more of that as a solopreneurship. I know, that's why I keep appreciating others' work because it's worth it. They deserve it. This is of course a simple cotton, ఈ కాటన్ జామ్దానీస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, this is one of them. Cotton jamdani, you all know about it. The pure zaris are so very it's a lifetime collection pieces they are. So To get minutely into the budget friendly manner, the cotton jamdani is here. No, this is not jamdani. In cotton we have implemented in a simple manner. It's only 12,450. Just to get to have you the feel. I'm introducing this category. So the next piece here is munch red with horizontal lines, zari lines, and see, this is a Kora by Pattu. This is how it is. Red and black ఎవరికైతే చాలా ఇష్టమో, so I would like to be bright and in these combinations. So this is, I think, with a soft silk saree ki I have it for one of my personal saree, and which is teamed up with, see, this is the pallu and black blouse, because people were asking about yesterday's black and red combination flowy saree. Not everybody can wear flowy saree, but it has the slight texture and sheen. This is more suitable for mid-aged women, and of course it is suitable for slim types. It is why I mentioned that is, as I told, when we start aging or whatever, when the body shapes goes little this way, that way, no problem, you still look beautiful, but you only have to choose the right textile. I emphasize on that. If you want to have a suggestion, then definitely I can tell you what fabric goes well with your body types. Check on to this. I think last time also we sold like lot of queries for this saree which got sold. This is another piece today we restocked. This is the blouse. Orange I think చాలా మంది అడుగుతున్నారు. See, this is how it is. Purple blouse. $17,980. నాకు దొరికితే నేను ఖచ్చితంగా చూపిస్తాను క్విక్గా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, దిస్ ద ఫీల్ అండ్ ఫాల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. హాయ్, price of the raw mango saree, I have to check. It's already gone inside for folding. Please check with the team. This is another color which is so beautiful. See the color, very bright and nice. Here is the pallu. Combination is very beautiful. This is a short pallu with the mustard, and here is this is the color of the blouse. Can you contact info? I think it's always there in the bio, 9945224400. I always, 3 numbers are there. Everybody is active here at this point of time. Please contact the team, you will get the info. So this is the blouse, and I think I must go a little behind to show you the full color, and this is the motif. The reason why I do, in spite of being garden, there will be lot of mosquitoes, and why I take the effort of being here is to get you the right colors, texture, sheen, everything right, because we don't have this exchange policies and all. So please see that. Yesterday I think one query, tussar sarees very tall people don't buy because you will not get the right length. However beautiful it is, because some people are okay to attach the fabric and make, because వాళ్ళకి దొరకవు అంత హైట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి, అందుకని సో అలా చెప్తే నేను సజెస్ట్ చేస్తా కూడా. దిస్ ఈస్ అనదర్ red, maroon red color, like whatever you are seeing, it is right color, and this is the motif. This is the motif. Okay, దీనిలో బ్యూటీ వచ్చి బాందిని is the blouse. This is the blouse. Price of the red saree, please. Last 2 sarees. Get me on to 9945224400. The phone is right here. We can tell you. This is the bandhani blouse to go with. And here is another crush saree. It is a tussar basically. Very simple to go with for a haldi. You want to be trendy. Yeah, this is a tussar saree. See, the first portion will be here it is. This is a beautiful tussar saree. The pleats will be like this, langavani types, but in mono color. And this is the shoulder and pallu, which is got little crush, and the whole thing from here there. And the blouse would be yellow with this border. Okay, this is another nice deep orange red. This is, and you can see the motifs, and this is the short pallu along with zari to give you that little nice contrast. And there was one more which is already sold, that's why I think they are already taken inside. This is the blouse. What a nice beautiful contrast combinations for the festive season, the upcoming Dasara and Diwali. Like, people love to wear bright colors, so this is one of them. Blouse is matching perfectly. Mine? Is it mine or the sari? Here I am showing another variety. This is a silk ikat with bandhani, and very lightweight. What a beautiful one. The Tuesday. What is this? The Tuesday wala saree. Which one? Okay. See, this is how it is. This is a nikkat. Yours and sarees both. Thank you. Beautiful saree. Yes, this is something really different. I have another color in this. This is a silk ikat, but the pattern is very nice, even, subtle, instead of being a big things and all that. Naku ishtapadtayi koncham ante a smaller border and with a touch of bandhani here, and bandhani pallu. Trendy. And the blouse is also bandhani. Okay, manchi ante like rich trendy saree. And I have another color in this ikat silk, definitely less than 40 ma. 39,980. I could see that the tag, that's why. This is another beautiful color. ఎంత బాగుంది కదా, లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వింటేజ్ కాంబినేషన్ వేర్ వి యూస్ టు గెట్ కాంజీవరంలో ఈ కలర్ కాఫీ బ్రౌన్ తోటి బాడీ వస్తే రాణి పింక్, హాట్ పింక్ వచ్చి బార్డర్ వచ్చేది. ఐ యూస్ టు హ్యావ్ పట్టు లంగా. సో ఇలా నా ఐ థింక్ మై ఫస్ట్ ఆర్ సెకండ్ పట్టు లంగా వాజ్ ఇన్ దిస్ కాంబినేషన్. సో వెరీ నైస్, వెరీ నైస్. Check onto this beautiful color combination. Yes, beautiful saree. You have really good taste. Thank you. ఎంత బాగుందో చూడండి. ఐ థింక్ ఇంత చూపిస్తే చాలు, అంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ రైట్. This is a beautiful Khatan silk. No, this is silk. Yes, not satin. This is silk because some people ask me, instead of the satin sheen, can I have it in silk? Because the design, everything is beautiful, and I will not be able to carry satin shine. So then, yes, I'm here for that. And a nice, rich wine shade, purplish wine. This is, and you can see the motif. ఇవి ఎంత బాగుంటాయంటే చెక్ ఆన్ టు దిస్ బుట్ట, కొత్తగా పూల బుట్టలాగా అనమాట. లెంగ్త్ ఫర్ విచ్ శారీ మా బాందిని, దట్స్ ఫైన్. లైక్ వెన్ వి పాలిష్ యూ గెట్ దట్ length. This is how it is. I think whoever is buying, please wear silverish blouse with purple meenakari buttas. Will look outstanding. Like, or if somebody is in slim figure, go with the zero necks. This is how the pallu and motifs. And blouse you will get plain, with border. So ilanti sarees I think two people can share also, because one can like mother and daughter, elder sister and younger sister. So one can go with this blouse, the other one can go with the contrast blouse. Okay, where to stay? I want to meet you. I love all your collections. We are in Bangalore, and you can come straightly, put the Google Maps Anu 6 yards, and you'll be here. And I am here. This is a Kora Kanchi, a nice lilac color, and who likes to have very happy go saree. You are wearing Kanchi, you are wearing a Kora. It is Kanchi Kora in combinations, because it is not see-through and lightweight, the elegant factor, and still you can combine with. This is the base color, the lilac. Lilac is the base color of the saree, and దాని మీద మొత్తం వీవ్ చేయటం వలన మీకు it will be lighter in shade, but very classic. Otherwise this is the original saree color. And blouse kuda almost alage untundi, so you could still go with that color blouse. మోనోటోన్ అనుకుంటే అది వేసుకోవచ్చు, లైక్ ఎ నైస్ డీప్ నెక్ బ్లౌజ్. ఆర్ యూ కెన్ గో విత్ దట్ లిటిల్ ఆ వంగు రంగు ఉంది కదా, ఆ బ్లౌజ్ వేసుకో, బాగుంటుంది. ఓకే. This is another sari. See the rich in color. Color is so rich. Gaji. Please share prices, ma'am. నేను వెతకాలి కదమ్మా. And give me the blouse. Under 30. Check on to this. This is how it looks. బాగుంది కదా. Very pretty actually. I'm also loving it. So this is like single color. So then I move on to the next saree, which is got Anu Georgette sarees today. No dear, no Georgettes today. It's such a lovely bright shade. Check on to this. I'm liking it because I can imagine the blouse. When are you available in the store, ma'am, today? Geeta, I'm there throughout the day. I mean, like if I say till 10 o'clock, then it's going to be beyond that. That's why we make our store timings, because team also should be available with me. They leave all by 6 o'clock. That's why please try to be before that. They have to leave by 6. So our store timings, you can keep it as 6. So it ends up at least by 6:37, which I can accommodate. But to avoid the waiting, please take the appointment. Alright? What material, Indrani? Which one? Please do budget friendly dresses or kurtas, not right now, ma. Rakamur. Okay. Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, today any tussar sarees? No, Josna. What material? What you say? This is Madhuri Dixit saree color. Okay. See, this is another one. Okay, which is little purplish and double border, the light contrast, and saree is got inside print. See the Indrani Gaji silk. This is how it is. You all can see the inside, the back side, there is print in this. Any mushroom katans. See, this is how it is. And the blouse is going to be orange. Who likes to have a contrast one? This is the blouse. Pretty, right? Here is a nice red. బనారస్ సిల్క్ సారీ, వెరీ లైట్ ఇన్ వెయిట్. అంటే దేవి నవరాత్రులు కదా, రెడ్ కూడా చాలా మంది ఇష్టపడతారు, అందుకే చూపిస్తున్నాను. హియర్ ఇస్ రెడ్ చెక్ సారీ విత్ నైస్ బార్డర్, గ్రాండ్గా. అండ్ మస్ట్ సీ ద బ్లౌజ్ ఆల్సో. ఇది బ్లౌజ్. యూ కెన్ సీ ద వీవ్ ఇన్ ద బ్లౌజ్. ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీ. సో ఐ థింక్ రీల్ చేయాలనిపిస్తుంది. ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ అప్పటిదాకా ఇవి ఉండవు. సో వన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సోల్డ్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో పాయింట్ ఇన్ మేకింగ్ రీల్, బట్ గుడ్ థింగ్స్ హ్యాస్ టు బి షోకేస్డ్. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ black lovers. What a beautiful saree. See the jal. దూరం నుంచి ఇది మనకి ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ బార్డర్ అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ ఓవెన్ బార్డర్. యూ కెన్ సీ ఆల్ థ్రెడ్ వీవింగ్. sometimes you feel like wearing non-zari sarees. That's when, like, you know, this comes into action without zari. And this is the blouse. Pretty, right? ఏం వేసుకోకర్లేదు. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్లా చిన్న నల్లపూసలు ఈజ్ మోర్ దెన్ ఎనఫ్. పీపుల్ who has art of living and want to have all good things in life, then I think you can choose out of this collection. Very pretty black saree. I don't know whether picture is doing justice or not outside, because the fabric is so soft and it is thread woven. This is the pallu and here is the blouse. Here is another pretty saree, Banarasi silk with Ganga Jamuna border. Heroes anni koncham rich Banarasi collection I'm showing. See, this is how the saree is. Okay, Ganga Jamuna border. Haldi కట్టుకోవచ్చు, అంటే మీ ఇష్టం ఎలా కట్టుకున్నా కానీ. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫెస్టివల్స్కి, పెళ్ళికి, లైక్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ యువర్ అకేషన్. బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ రిచ్ బనారసీ శారీ విచ్ ఇస్ నైస్. తర్వాత and here is the blouse. Blouse is in purple. Very, very beautiful saree. Check on to this. It's just not the border, and the weave continues, and there are small zari lines inlay. Okay, and this is the next is another yellow saree. This is an yellow saree which is Katan silk. See the lightness of the fabric and tissue border. Tissue border. Kora lo tissue and woven border, and very light in weight. And see the saree. I think this is a feel good practice sari. This is the blouse. Kora is the blouse. This is the sari. Okay. Please ask the picture. They will provide you the price and availability also. Again, the Banaras silk, manchi, twin shade of peach and orange, and here is the sari. Jamdani weave. See, this is how. Isn't it pretty? Very beautiful. Because some people they cannot carry kora. అంటే పల్చగా ఉంటుంది, ఒక లేయర్ వేసుకోలేము అని ఇబ్బంది పడుతుంటే మాత్రం దిస్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ శారీ టు గో విత్. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ color of the saree is very lovable and which goes for all skin types. Okay, so this is how it is. Here is the pallu, and of course the plain is the blouse with the border. Okay, I'll move on to the next saree. These are all time sarees. All time is like, you know, one goes, the next woven one will come into the our stock, because these are widely appreciated, because the real traditional Banarasi silk will have that thickness or whatever. This has that, you know, you can see the all through the saree there is weave, jal, and the contrast border to go with. And here is the blouse. అంటే మంచి బనారస్ శారీ వేసుకోవాలి, స్మూత్గా ఉండాలి అని అనుకునే వాళ్ళకి దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ విత్ నైస్ బ్రైట్ కాంబినేషన్. ఓ భారతి గారు, మీరు అడిగారు, నేను నాకు ఇప్పుడే గుర్తొచ్చింది. when I'm talking about the description of the saree, yeah, check on to this saree, like who has got sensitive skin, and see the sheen of the fabric. Check on to the border. I think Bharati, I should have shown this beforehand for whatever the details you asked for. But this is the saree. See the flowers, they are Jamdani flowers. Nice, very soft of Banarasi silk, and a very lightweight again. And the color is also very pretty, and the combination is rightly placed. And here is the blouse sleeve border is this one, and otherwise the color of the blouse. This is the color of the blouse. Check on to this. You can ask the picture, and team will provide you price and availability. This is how it is. Alright, I'll move on to the next saree. This is a simple Banaras saree. This is They're all high end. This is a simple Banaras saree. Simple, subtle Banaras silk in a budget friendly silk Banaras saree. But next is a beautiful Kadwa weave Banarasi silk saree. Check on to the color. What a beautiful color. And Meena Kadwa. This is how it is. You can check on to the design. Okay. And here is the pallu. Check this pallu. Weave. Most importantly, the weave. The Banarasi silk rich saree. If it is too much of weight also, it won't stand like this. It means that saree has the fall. Even however heavy weave. So that's the goodness of the fabric. ఇంకొక బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ శారీ మా వాళ్ళు మర్చిపోయి ఇప్పుడు తీసుకొచ్చినట్టున్నారు. What a beautiful saree. This is a handloom saree. ఇలా ఒరిస్సా వీవ్ లాంటి బార్డర్. This is the blouse and any day to go with. People like a fab saree, but in silk, very lightweight silk. Bound. Price. It's under 20. Very lightweight saree again. Pallu and the blouse. But the combination is so earthy, nice, mustard. This is orange, red, black. I think to go with any fancy silver jewelry also looks good on this. Otherwise people like me would wear one black beads. But very lightweight and saree. Nice saree it is. So today's almost all the collection is about rich Kora Banarasis and the patch borders and all that. This is a nice rich color saree. Check on to this. Because నేను అన్ని ఎక్కువ ఆఫ్ వైట్లు బేబీ పింక్లే ఉంటాయి కదా నా కలెక్షన్లో. నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ combination. Very nice saree. This is the saree. You can ask for the picture and the price also. Okay. Sari, what you are wearing is pretty, ma'am. Material of the sari. This is Kora, silk Kora with Meena woven buttas and hand embroidery, and then the patch border of python. So it's called Kora Paitani. So, మంచి కాంజీవరం శారీ చూపిస్తానే అండ్ బనారసి శారీ ఆల్సో. ప్లీజ్ స్టే ట్యూన్. ఈ శారీ వేసుకొని ఐ థింక్ మై పర్ల్ సెట్ విల్ గో వెరీ వెల్ విత్ దిస్. చెక్ ఆన్ టు దిస్ శారీ అండ్ lot of small big buttas. See how beautiful it is and feel of the saree. This is how it is. It's a twin shade. See the beauty of the saree. And here is the pallu. To lot of my sarees, I think you don't need much of jewelry. Saree speaks by itself. Here is the blouse. See the combination. This is how it is. What a beautiful traditional, yet the combination and saree is speaking by itself. This is one of the showstopper saree. Very pass-on kind of a saree also. Manchi rich in color. Chala bagundi cheera. Satin mushroom. This is yeah. This is another saree which is in red. This is the border. These sarees are completely in moving. Red saree, pink. Yeah, this is a red saree with the satin finish. 28. And this is the blouse. So I think I should be having another color which is coffee brown. You can ask the team they'll provide the picture. These are all under 30. Okay, nice twin shade of red. This is not just red. This has a nice sheen if you are able to see. And to go with the combi is this nice pink, silver, gold, and very see the fall and sheen is really good in these sarees. Yeah, this is another nice color. Pretty. I think I don't know how much camera is doing justice, but these are all like wow sarees in the budget. This is the pallu and here is the blouse. Nice, a deep V-neck blouse looks really good. This is the original one. See the sheen on the sari. Nice sari andi. Avun bound. The brown sari is this one. This is you call it as mushroom, satin silk, gajji, all one and the same depending on the fusion of the amount of the material, the proportion of the material. Okay, the brown sari, nice sari, and thank you, beautiful sari. Yes. Okay. Here is a stunning sari which I have put the picture also. In fact, if this sari, I mean, if Aruna didn't tell me that if this is sold, can I? She asked me to wear this sari. Otherwise, probably this would have been my choice for the day. See, this is the blouse to go with my good old blouse. Probably I would wear something like this, maybe orange sleeves or whatever. I would have worn with this blouse. Okay, but what a beautiful Kora Benares, and I showcased all the luxurious saris today. Of course, we have Kanchi in collection to show you, Zari Kota in collection to show you, but it is I don't want to take too much of time, and if anybody wants in that stream, please do let us know. Team will show you, and yes, single ikat patola saris. This is a beautiful blouse to go with. ఓకే, కొన్ని చాలా పెద్ద చీరలు మీకు ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కమింగ్ టు లైవ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ getting sold here itself, but I must show you that Anu 6 Yards has this kind of collection also. That's what you should know. That's why I will show as a piece. Maybe I will not open. This is another sari, Shikarga, mint green, Kora Benares. Check on to the sari, because కొంతమందికి కోరా చాలా ఇష్టం, కొంతమంది కోరా క్యారీ చేయలేరు అని దే వుడ్ బి ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ సిల్క్. బట్ కోరాలో ఒక డెలికసీ ఉంటుంది. జస్ట్ సీ blouse, we do very good job. So if people who wants to wear Kora, and just because it is little see through, if you are not able to wear, I think it's time. If not now, you will not be wearing in the future, but whoever is got that feel to wear the Kora sari, then definitely I will make a good blouse. You can still go with the Kora, don't have to restrict yourself. Bounda. This is how it is. What a beautiful sari, and this is the blouse to go with. And the backing is already done for this. So very classy organza back finish. Okay. Now I'll show you a Kanjivaram. have just to, like, maybe I open the box and show. Only one or two I can open and show you. What a beautiful onion pink and gold, silver. This is how it is. You can see the fall when it is pure zari, even in Kanjivaram. Is this brown color? Yes, you can see a beautiful Kanjivaram sari, tissue, onion pink. చాలా beautiful ఉంది. What's this? అంటే అన్ని విప్పి అట్లీస్ట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ టు వెన్ యూ సీ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ ద టీమ్ దే విల్ షేర్ యూ ద పిక్చర్ because very good collection of Kanjivaram sarees. People keep asking me, but I think because I don't like to open the saree, and because they usually buy it for the occasions, so again I don't want to, maybe they put it to God also, that's why. This is one beautiful saree. The second one to go with. Here is another beautiful saree, hot pink. This is a twin shade with the baby pink. I think this is simple range one. Tag is here only. I can tell you the price. 21,980. This is the saree. Okay. This is a. ఈ శారీస్ అసలు ఇలా చూపించటం ఇట్ వోంట్ డూ జస్టిస్. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ haven't been getting responses today from the team. Raji Siloji, I will check on to that, because my one of the team member is gone to Tirumala for darshan, so I could not one second. I will just Raji, let me know, Raji. I can answer here only. Hey, come on, give that. I have to show. This is a kanchi chicken. This is a tissue kanchi with all these munia borders. Such a beautiful saree, and pallu also is like this. Yeah, this is sold, but must show you the Ikat Kanjivaram and see the border. Ikat Kanjivaram. This is sold. Such a beautiful bridal red saree. I'm not opening. Nitya. See this red Kanjivaram saree. What a beautiful. These are pure zari sarees. This is another beautiful purple Banarasi saree. What a grandeur this saree. Very minute detailing and meenakari flowers. Bon, rich and royal. This saree is also sold. Whatever sold prices can we get on order, Anugaru? Yes, why not? Uh, uh, if the saree can be reweaved in time, that's what I should check. Or if it is somewhere in our stock, the second piece, then because usually when we weave it, you get 4 pieces, right? So if it is in one of that in the round, then I can surely give. This is another beautiful sari with pure zari. Very nice color. Color is very pretty, and this is the border. I'm sure a lot of people has got eye for Kanjivarams. Whatever the trend comes and goes, but classic Kanjivarams always they will have a this thing. This is a nice English color, powder blue, and the see kind of buttas and the tissue behind. This is a lavender sari which has got this kind of a thing, and should be budget friendly, around less than 30 for sure. Bottle green with a geometric pattern, and this is the border. Some of the saris I feel like opening, that beautiful they are, because unless you show at least, see, this is a smaller border, this is a big border, and here is the tissue and buttas, and sari is very lovely, like Vidya Balan, Rekhaji, that kind of a sari. Who wears that classic Kanjivarams? This is that kind of a sari. Box. Here is another hot pink, and a twin shade, and see the border. This is a pythony woven border. Sari is all very rich. Yes. So there is something that I want to show. Do you have brown color kanchi sari? Yes, I think I do have. Please check with the team. Price of which one, ma? Here is, I think I have to show you my khadi jamdanis. I think most of my khadi jamdanis are sold without even coming to the video. Once after it is sold only, when I make the blouse and jewelry together, that's how I have done the video. But I must show you now. These are some beautiful, wonderful saris, collection pieces. You can see like this. There are 2 saris. See, my one box could accommodate two beautiful saris, which is see how the colors are lifting in white. This is already sold. Again, you will see the video with the blouse. Okay. I think rest of it after the blouse. ఎంత పసిపాపల్లా ఉంటాయి ఇవి, అండ్ హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు ద క్రాఫ్ట్మెన్షిప్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ వీవర్స్. ఎంత కాటన్ జామ్దాని ప్యూర్ జరీ sarees. What a lovely collection pieces. This being the border, and this is how it is. That's what I am really not sure how much justice it is making. Khadi Jamdani, please contact the team, because they are really collection pieces. So I think please contact me on 9945224400. I will I will I will tell you. I will talk to you the importance of the sari. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for being in live for so long. I hope you all enjoyed. Can we pre-order vintage Ram Banarsi sari that you showed in delivery video? I will check. Please contact me by WhatsApp, because these messages again I won't be able to go back and see. What will be the life of this? Which one? Life of what, ma? Jamdani saris, I think I am wearing it from past 20 years. I know. I think these kind of saris are exclusive, expensive collection pieces, which if you're any of you are from Hyderabad, they all know about the prices of Jamdanis. Khadi Jamdani. This is Jamdani, cotton Jamdani we should call. Khadi Jamdani is from Pondur. It is from Andhra Pradesh, and the material will be little thicker than this. Okay, and whereas when it is Banarasi thing, it is cotton Jamdani, which is like a baby. It is more, it's even more lighter. Price of what you are wearing. This is actually sold, ma. So, but thing is that I can't redo the piece. Can't redo, because this is a matter of two saris together. That's right. Then again, I should find the same sari of this, same sari of this, and mix and match, combine. So it won't be fair enough, like, you know, that that if I say that I can remake the piece. Okay. So thanks again. Signing off for now. If everything permits, probably I will back by evening to showcase some single ikat patola saris, the budget friendly patola saris, which we have done one I mean earlier also we have done the live shows with that, in that category. I will see my schedule, and if it is so, I will advertise. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend.